AI is going to displace so many people. I said it yesterday on Jordan's video when I was coming here, because it's my first time in Breckenridge, and I look forward for us to do these more often, these trips. But you know, when you do like the self-tag at the airport, it makes sense, right? You don't need as many people ticketing, you use automation, but then you're supposed to take your ticket, you're supposed to now apparently bag it yourself, and you leave it on the counter for the lady to, or the guy or whoever, to basically put it on the little line that takes it away. So I go and I hand the lady my little sticker, and I hand her my suitcase, and she's like, no, you need to put the sticker on the suitcase. I'm like, okay, that's fine. Why are you here? Well, I'm here to supervise that you put the sticker on the suitcase. And I looked at her, I was like, you will be replaced by AI. And the reason I said that to her is because...
You told her that?
Yeah, straight up.
Dude, I love
it's funny. It's funny because, and it's true, she looked at me like, what? Like, she's like, wait, what? Like, didn't make sense. But I said it to her because it made sense. It made sense that the value that she provides to her company can be replaced by automation. We can create our own AI and train our own AI. Because if you want to compete in 2040, you think you're going to be competing with human mental power? No, dude. You have to be competing with your AI, with your robots, with your automations, with your softwares, because that's where the future's headed, and it's going to be huge. And if you're not on it, you're going to miss out.